Hello traders, in this video I'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair USDJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that pound yen closed this week looking extremely bullish with this bullish engulfing candle over here. Now you can see how USDJPY in this week came all the way down over here with this bearish move, but then again faced extreme price ejection from here and closed the week by breaking above this previous week's high with this bullish engulfing candle over here. Now USDJPY, if continues to go with further bullish momentum by breaking above this high, then it might come all the way up to retest this or this key level over here, which we do on the basis of its previous retest points, which is right over here. As you can see, these are the next retest points that USDJPY has after it made a breakout of this high over here. So this is where USDJPY might be heading on the upcoming week if it continues with further bullish momentum. And then you have this another key level. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see on this daily time frame we marked some of these key zones over here as well. So USDJPY, as you can see, made a breakout of this ranging faces support zone over here with this bearish move, but then again the next day it came all the way up to retest this very high of this previous week over here. So USDJPY has this high as its resistance zone, like the recent resistance zone over here, and also it has multiple support zones over here, which you will see on the shorter time frame. And so USDJPY might make a breakout of this high and then continue to push up to retest this or that key level which you saw on the weekly time frame right over here. Or USDJPY might also make some manipulative move over here, and then price might get back under this key level and continue to push down as well. So to avoid those kind of traps, you gotta go to shorter time frames like 4-hour time frame to look for trades. So like in this 4-hour time frame, as you can see, some more key zones that we drew in between this ranging phase based on how USDJPY formed this key zone as a support zone or resistance zone. So based on those things, we drew these multiple zones in between this ranging phase over here. So USDJPY, before moving up with further bullish move, it might also come down to make some pullback to any of this key zone over here and then continue to push up. So this key zone might also act as USDJPY's support zone over here as well for USDJPY to continue pushing up, or USDJPY might also continue to push up from here if it makes a breakout of this high with further bullish move. So to avoid such a manipulative move, you can wait to see for a clean break and close above this high and then wait for the next candle on this 4-hour time frame to close bullish as well, instead of showing signs of price ejection. So wait for USDJPY to form some sort of a structure over here on this 4-hour time frame or like 30 minutes time frame like that, and then look for trades on the breakout of that solid structure with further momentum on the direction of the breakout. That's how you can avoid such stop loss hunt over here, or like some manipulative move over here showing signs of making a breakout, but then again price coming back all the way down over here. So if USDJPY continues to find support around at this key zone, continues to respect this key zone as a support zone or this key zone as a support zone, and continues to form higher lows into this high and makes a break and close above this high with further bullish move, then you can go to shorter time frame and look for certain structure and then look for trades on the breakout of that structure in hopes of USDJPY coming all the way up to retest this key level or all the way up to retest this key level over here, which we talked about in the weekly time frame as well. However, if USDJPY, instead of finding support around at this key zone or this key zone, if USDJPY comes all the way down and makes a break and close below this key zone, then you can look for trades in hopes of USDJPY coming to retest this key zone over here. However, a break and close even below this key zone with further bearish move might lead USDJPY to continue with further bearish momentum all the way to make new lower low by breaking below this low over here. Now it also has this key level which you have to keep your eyes on as well. So wait to see what USDJPY does around at this high and also around at this key zone or this key level over here, and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side using the strategy that I just mentioned, like very short time frame, always like 30 minutes to 50 minutes time frame. Like then look for certain structure after the price makes a break and close above or below certain key zone, and then look for trades on the breakout of that structure with further momentum and the direction of the breakout. So that's my analysis on USDJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well in this 4 hour time frame, so that you can see where all these key zones and all these key levels and stuffs are. And to know the regular updates on my trades, like when I take the trades, I do give updates on my Instagram, so you can go follow me on Instagram as well from the link in the video description, and I'll keep you guys updated on my trades on that Instagram page. And I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on USDJPY.